An ANC senior government minister spent 2 million rands of taxpayers' money for a week-long trip to New York in the United States. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, this trip took place during the United Nations General Assembly's high-level session from the 23rd to the 29th of September 2025. And a team of only 4 people was part of President Ramaphosa's SA team to attend this event. Now, all 4 delegates traveled in business class, and the group stayed in 5-star hotels near the United Nations headquarters, of which one night in those hotels cost around 30,000 to 100,000 rand per person. Now, this comes as no surprise, as there was a minister and aides who spent 654,000 on 10 nights lodging in New York. And other costs included car hires, meeting costs, local travel, and each member likely claimed the maximum daily subsistence allowance for New York. Now, it is alleged that the total spent for each member was 742,066 rand, of which nearly amounted to 2 million rands on a week trip of only 4 individuals. Now, the presidency noted that President Ramaphosa had approved all ministerial travel and that departmental delegations are managed internally. Now, in practice, ministers are allowed to fly business class and stay in top hotels on international duty. Now, the issue here is not that she traveled, but the issue is how much it cost and how it was done. Most of South Africans are upset because the country is struggling financially. Many people are unemployed, municipalities are failing, and government keeps saying there is no money. Yet senior officials continue to travel in luxury using public funds, while ordinary people are told to tighten their belts. Now, to many South Africans, it looks like there is money, just that there is no money to help the poor. Now, if you also thought, Uguti, there will be someone who will be accountable, you thought wrong, because there was no one who was fired, no money will be paid back, and no disciplinary actions were taken, as this spending was said that it was within the policy. Meaning, even though this spending looks excessive, as long as it fits the rules, there are no consequences. Now, this 2 million was just for one minister and other 3 staff members. What are your thoughts?